Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to explain about the working of hydraulic system. With the animation, I'm going to explain the working of the hydraulic system. I also take the components of the hydraulic system and their applications also. I'll take. Here, this is the hydraulic system where the different components will take the first and later I'll take the working. This is the reservoir which holds the hydraulic fluid or a working fluid which is to be used in the hydraulic system. It's the pump which supplies the fluid or a hydraulic fluid into a system, and that is the power source to supply the fluid for the working of the system. And third one is that pressure relief valve. During the forward stroke, the pressure by the pump will be supplied to a hydraulic cylinder. During the return stroke, the pressure is not required, but the pump is continuously working. During that period, the pressure will be a relief. The pressure relief will should be provided, and that is provided by using the pressure relief valve. Okay, in the other the hydraulic systems, okay, there we are going to use the pressure control valve also along with this pressure relief valve. That pressure control valve controls the pressure. If the pressure is higher, the higher power we are going to get. Okay, the power output will be controlled by the pressure. The next one is the direction control valve, which controls the direction of the flow of the fluid into the system. Okay, that means during the forward or during the working of the pump, working stroke of the hydraulic cylinder, and during the return stroke of the hydraulic cylinder, the direction of the flow will be controlled. And there we are going to use the lever for its operation. Okay, this the valve will be operated by using the lever what is provided, and by that we can control the direction. Next one is the hydraulic cylinder, that is also called as the actuator. The actuator which will produces the output work. The output work what is there from the what is to be produced from the this system, that is the produced by using this hydraulic cylinder, that is also called as a actuator. Here we are going to use the reciprocating the hydraulic cylinder. We can use that is its rotary also. The rotary systems also we are going to use. There are different types of the actuators that also I'll explain in some other session. And this actual what output it will be producing, that is the weight to be lifted. The weight it is lifting. Weight lifting is an example of the working. All the different types of the output works can be produced from this system. And now we'll take that is what are the different flow lines which are to be used in the hydraulic system. There are names are given for this flow lines in the hydraulic system. These are designated by the some names. Okay, the first one is the P, the P which is the pump line. Okay, which is the pump line. Means here the pump line means from the pump, the what the fluid flow is there connected to the direction control valve, that is called as a pump line. Okay, then next one is that tank line. Means here T is the tank line. Means from this line the fluid will be flows to the tank. Fluid flows to the tank. This one, that's why it's called as a tank line. Next one is the A is the actuator line. Actuator means here the hydraulic cylinder is the actuator, and to that the what the fluid is flowing through the line, that line we'll call as A. That is the actuator line. Next one is the B, that is the back line. Okay, back line. These are the different lines which are to be connected to the direction control valve, and the particular through the particular line the fluid is supplied during the forward stroke and the return stroke. Now we'll take the working. As we know that during the operation of the pump, which will be pressurizes the fluid in the line. Okay, that is a pump line, and that is connected to a direction control valve. And in this direction, during the forward stroke, the fluid will be supplied to the actuator during the forward stroke. And the piston will be lifted by the pressure of the fluid in the cylinder. Okay, due to that, the weight will be lifted. And there, the other side, double that is a double acting cylinder it is. The other side of the fluid will be there, which is at a lower pressure. The red line shows the higher pressure and blue line shows the lower pressure. The lower pressure fluid at the other line that goes to the direction control valve, and from that it will be set in such a way that during the forward flow, the back line should be connected to a tank line. During the forward stroke, the pump line will be connected to a cylinder and back line will be connected to a tank line. Okay, like this, its connection. Here we can see that one during the return, it will goes to the tank. That is the actuation is taking place. And return also, the power is not required in the system. If the return power is also, if it is required, then the whatever the tank line is there, that connects to the this line other side, that is the rod end side of the piston. Then the pressure will be applied here, and from the other, that is the piston end side, the fluid whatever is there, that goes to the tank by using the this line. Here also we can see that one through this direction it will goes to the tank. If it is the other side also, the pressure if it is required. Like this, during the forward stroke only the power required in this one. That is a very simple and best application how the working it will be taking place. And there are again the modifications are done here for the working in the both the side the power is to be applied, and here the different types of the pumps are to be used, and the different types of the actuators also we can use. The actuator may be reciprocating type of the actuator what is used here, and the rotary actuator also we can use for providing the rotary motions, or the some other different types of the motions which are required at the uh, outer end or as output. That is the again the different types of the actuator I am going to explain in next session. Okay, and where these hydraulic systems are used. The hydraulic systems mainly used in the earth movers and lifts, and we are going to use in the industrial robots and all the machine tools. Okay, like this, in the wherever the power is required, and the hydraulic system we are going to use as compared to the mechanical systems. These hydraulic systems are providing the higher power and with the accuracy and less maintenance and other things are required. Okay, that's why the hydraulic systems are nowadays using in most of the fields and which are very popular. And for that, the hydraulic system design and applications is a very important industrial application nowadays. And I'll discuss some other things about the hydraulic systems in the next sessions. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe, and comment.